REVER is basically a planner in your pocket. Go ahead and select Create Ride at the top of the nav bar. From here, you can select your starting destination and your next waypoint or your final destination. If you want to pick a waypoint along the way, you can zoom and pan around the map and select where you want to place that waypoint. We're just going to go down the road on this one. Select to place that point. You can also add another stop. With this, I'm going to search this time to another destination. I'm going to use Vail as the next stop. If you don't want a waypoint, you can delete it with the X, or you can drag and rearrange with the 3-bar icon. I'm going to go ahead and delete this first point. You can also move it with this one. I just added another stop just so you can see how to rearrange this. Maybe I don't want to go to that location first, so I could always delete. I'm going to select Done to go to the next step. You can adjust route options. This is twisty roads, avoid highways, avoid tolls, avoid ferries. I selected twisty roads, which will give you the twistiest route to your destination. From here, you can click Next. Now you can select if you want to save this for later, save and share to your friends, save and ride now, and you can use turn-by-turn directions or follow route line. I'm just going to select save for later. Here you can enter all your ride details. So vehicle type, ride name, surface type, add a description. Also down at the bottom, you can change it to public, or you can make this a commute. You can also add photos, which gives it a little more story to your ride. Right here is where you would delete a ride, click save, and this is going to pop up the ride details screen, and it'll show you a route preview.